Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get into Stansted Airport Lounge for free using your CRO card and how to get that and what tiers we need and how it all works. So in we go. You show your QR code from the app, which I'll show you in a minute how to do at the reception desk. Buffet, breakfast foods, jams and breads, and then round this side, drinks, Coke, water, and sandwiches, fruit, and then we go potatoes, curry, pasta, and chicken breast, decent coffee, orange juice, free Wi-Fi, also free beer and spirits. The password's escape1. So to get all of this, you need to have a CRO card. So this is a crypto trading app that gives you a Visa debit card. I'll put a link in the description with the referral code. To do that, you need to be on tier 3, which is Royal Indigo or Jade Green. And then as well as that, you need to download the Lounge Key app and install that, and then link it to your CRO card. The app will give you this QR code, which you present on the entrance of the lounge, remembering to bring your CRO card with you with international transactions enabled and with enough balance on it, minimum $30. And then it goes through as a transaction for $3.25 US, and you even get cash back on that. And I managed to get 7 pence in GBP. Please like and subscribe.